Hi guys, this is an Opel Corsa D in the two-door version, and today I will remove the rear right brake signal and I will install the bulbs that do not work. So as you can see, some sectors of the rear right brake light are not working. The lower and upper right sectors do not work, so these bulbs need to be replaced or installed. I hope this is the only problem and there are no problems with the wiring. First of all, you need to open the rear right axis to the rear right brake light. Next, you need to unscrew these two plastic nuts that hold the brake light in place. Next, you just need to pull the edge of the light brake to pull it out. But before removing it completely, you need to disconnect the wires. After the brake light has been removed, you need to gain access to the bulbs, and for this you need to remove this cover. To do this, you need to disconnect the three fasteners that hold the cover in place. We see that these two bulbs are simply missing and need to be installed. They are actually two different bulbs, so you need to know for sure which type of bulb they are. To put the bulbs in place, you just need to insert them into the hole and turn them slightly until you feel the stop. Next, you just need to put everything back together and install it on the car. Now let's check if the brake light is working before finishing the full installation. Yes, everything seems to be working great. So now you need to tighten the locking nuts and close the side access to the rear stop light. So now everything works and you can avoid unwanted conversations with the traffic police. And if this video was interesting or useful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.